In the words of Heather Ball, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Happy Sunday morning. So I look rough because I just woke up, but today I am going to be vlogging our Sunday so that you can see our Sunday morning and our Sunday routine. I had people ask me for a Sunday morning routine, and just as important as a Sunday morning routine is your Saturday night routine. And every Saturday night I give both the girls a bath and I clip their nails if their nails need clipped. Then I take a shower and I wash my hair. That's why my hair looks like this. And then if I have time, I like to lay out our clothes before I go to bed. And you can see I laid out the girls' clothes. I have their outfits picked out, their matching bows, and their shoes. I laid those out last night before I went to bed so that I would have more time in the morning, because if I try to do everything on Sunday morning, I end up being late. So I like to do stuff at night if I have time. And of course I washed all the bottles last night so that those are ready to go as well. The first thing that I do on Sunday mornings is I fix my hair, because when I get up, both the girls are still asleep, and so I like to hurry up and fix my hair before anybody else wakes up. That way I can spend my time on it and not have to rush or worry about stopping a million times. So the first thing I do every Sunday morning is I fix my hair. I had some people on Instagram see this hairstyle. I'm gonna put the picture in here. And they asked me if I would do a hair tutorial on this. Where is my heat spray? Here it is. And I've actually done a hair tutorial on this hairstyle, but when I did it, I used a smaller curling iron so that maybe it looks different on like if you look at my YouTube videos, maybe it looks different than the Instagram picture. But I have done this tutorial before, but I'm gonna use a bigger curling iron than I did last time, so I guess it looks different doing it that way. So I just put heat spray in my hair, and I have my curling iron. I think this is a, I don't know if this is a 1 inch or a 3/4 an inch. I don't know. This is 1 1/4 an inch, and this is the one next to it, but then there's one smaller than this, so it's the one in the middle. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but because of extreme baby hairs on this side, I had to switch my part over to this side. So when I fix my hair now, I feel like I'm doing my hair backwards, and it's really confusing me. I feel like I've been trying to do everything left-handed because I've had my hair parted that way for so long that it's really throwing me off. Okay, so I'm just gonna use, oh, this is a curling iron that I just took the thingy off, the little thing off. I just unscrewed it. And I'm going to use that like a wand. It's just a regular curling iron, it's not a wand. But I'm going to use it like one. to the bottom. Okay. And then I'm gonna like pull halfway through the ponytail, and I'm gonna take some more claw clips and then clip it up. One and right. Okay, so to make this not look so flat, I'm going to pull up some of these tighter curls and just like pull them up. Okay, these are hanging down too far, so I'm gonna get a hold of them underneath here, and I'm just gonna like take a clip like right here, and I'm gonna pin them up. Okay, so this is my hairstyle for church this morning. Okay, so every Sunday morning I either do cinnamon rolls or I do those muffins in the package. And we had muffins. I try to alternate, like every other Sunday I switch off. So last Sunday was muffins, so this Sunday is cinnamon rolls. So after I fix my hair, I always get the cinnamon rolls in the oven, and when they're done, then I start waking the girls up. So I got bottles and diapers, wipes, formula, and baby food. And then in Everly's bag, there's some toys for Rosie, toys for Everly. I've got some snacks, and her sippy cup's gonna go here on the side. And I've got their bags. Rosie Lynn just woke up. Yeah, I'm awake and I'm in a good mood. Evie, are you gonna wake up? Good morning. You go to Sunday school? Huh? You go to Sunday school? Yep. No, she's going back to bed. Yes, all of these had to sleep with us. But Rosie's in a good mood, and Rosie's ready to go to Sunday school. Yay! Rosie Lane's ready to go. She done took one shoe off and got her headband. Everly's ready to go. Look how cute! So cheese! And I'm ready to go. I got my Danny Jewel dress on, and I just put a red jacket over it. And I just gotta find my shoes. Okay, we're in the car and headed to church. We made it! I'm going to Sunday school! I'm excited for Evie because today is their Valentine's Day party, and so she's got her little Valentines, and they're gonna have so much fun in Sunday school today. We left the church and we went through Zaxby's, and got Zaxby's because we have a busy day. Normally on Sundays I will put a roast in the crock pot and we'll have roast or we'll cook. That way it's already ready, but it's just a lot of work to have to clean up all the dishes and everything with time being so pressed. So we went through Zaxby's, and Evie's back there. What are you doing? Are you making a mess? I got her a caffeine-free Coke, so she's having that. So we're gonna go home and eat really quick. Seriously though, Zaxby's has the best salad ever. Look at that, it's amazing. This is the Cobb salad. Say cheese. Cheese. So it's 1:44 now. We have to leave here at 3:45 because we have prayer meeting at 4, from 4 to 4:45, and then we start our Sunday night church service starts at 5 o'clock, and most churches start at 6. So I have to leave in 2 hours, and Evan had to go to the church because he had to do things. So I have to get the girls ready and get to church by myself. Rosie is crawling around on the floor, having all kinds of fun. She's not quite crawling yet, but she's getting around. And Everly is destroying her room, playing. So obviously both of them are awake. I am not going to be getting a nap, especially since I have to leave here in 2 hours. On Sundays when I don't have enough time to take a nap, I like to lay down for maybe 20-30 minutes and just think about what it would feel like to take a nap. Just lay there and think, man, it would be really nice to take a nap. So I don't have time to actually take a nap, but at least I can pretend, right? I'm trying to convince the girls to take a nap before church tonight so they're not cranky. Are you gonna take a nap? You are? It looks promising. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Oh my, I dozed off. It is 2:46, so I now have an hour to fix my hair, get dressed, and get the girls both dressed and back out there and to leave so that I can be on time to prayer meeting. Rosie Lane's all ready for church, looking all adorable. Don't you look adorable? Y'all look so cute. Had to put her on the floor so she didn't fall off the couch. So I put her in something more comfortable because we're gonna be gone for so long that I wanted her to be comfortable. So I went with the black skirt and my boots. I don't know if you can see. So not my favorite outfit, but it will definitely keep me warmer than what I was wearing this morning. With this skirt is like a really thick material, like a sweater, and my boots, I got socks on and keep me warm. Miss Grumpy Gills does not want to get out of bed. I've already got her dressed while she was in bed, but she doesn't want to get out of bed. She keeps hollering night night. Night night. We gotta go to church. Let's go. Mommy's gonna go to church. Look at that, 3:44. Y'all, I did it. Everly's in the car, Rosie's in the car. We made it. I've got Everly's leftover lunch that she didn't eat. She can eat that during prayer meeting. And I got me a granola bar and a water for a snack. And we are headed to prayer meeting and we are on time. In the words of Heather Ball. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Heather Ball, I hope you're watching this. If you are, I love you. So here we go, we're headed to church. We are home now and we had a really good church service tonight. Normally after church we'll go out to eat with people in the church, we'll go to like the Mexican restaurant, or we'll go to Brick Oven Pizza or Wendy. But we ended up staying pretty late after church. Evan was recording some songs for a funeral, and so since we got out so late, there was nobody going out to eat by the time we left. So we ended up just going through Taco Bell drive-thru, and we brought it home and ate here at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, and so I can take my hair down and get my pajamas on and get the girls in their pajamas and get them in bed. So I wanted to tell you before I end this vlog, go check out my new website. I am selling modest clothes, and the website is tuckandtilly.com, and I will link that down below in the descriptions. And I just got some new black denim skirts in, and I love these skirts so much. I wore mine and I just love it. So I got that black denim skirt in, and I also got another new denim skirt in. Go and make sure you check out my website and find me on Instagram and add me on Instagram on Tuck and Tilly on Instagram, and I will link all this down below so you can find it. But go and shop, you guys. I love all the skirts that I've added on there, and you're gonna love them too. Is my finger getting on your nerves yet? I just realized I was like, oh. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more videos like this. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos every week, and I've been uploading at least 2 videos here for a couple weeks. So subscribe to my channel so you can see my new videos. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, Evie wants to say bye. Have a good day. Bye.